Hi there, welcome back to TELW English Workshop. My name is Manu. Today I'm gonna give you the third video on basic English skills for beginners. We're gonna talk about house. How do we tell about the house that we live in? Right? Before I go any further, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because the videos that we have help you learn English skills and communication skills. We have a few videos already. Watch them if you're ready to go to that level. Like them, form a playlist of your own, make that your learning environment with the YouTube. Keep learning. So let's go back to the house. What are the different types of houses that we have? In the village, you have those small thatched sloping roof houses. They are called huts with just maybe one room in that. Small houses. And then you have cottages with more than one room, but the roofs are still sloping. Most of them are thatched. Some houses are also tiled. Their roofs are made of tiles, the clay or terracotta tiles. In the city, you have different kinds of houses. For instance, some of the houses you find in a huge building, which has different floors. And each floor has one or more houses, homes. They are called flats or apartments. And that is called an apartment block, that building. If it's very high, like 40, 50 floors and all that, that's called a high rise, skyscraper. It's also called a tower block. And these apartments are technically called residential units. These are different words. You normally say apartments or flats when you speak in common parlance. Right. So then you have houses which are like stacked together. All like one house, another house joined over there, the third house over here, fourth house over here. Whole set of houses all joined to each other. That's called a terraced house. So all of them together in one block. Then you have another kind of house where you have one house with another house here on one side of the house. The opposite wall is free. That's called a semi-detached house. Then you have other houses which are free. There's no house here or here. They are called independent houses or detached houses. Then you have villas, huge villas, big houses, bungalows. Now, how do you describe your house? What's the question? What's your house like? What is? What's your house like? So, what's your house like? So you're going to tell about the size of the house and the number of rooms of in that house, the kind of rooms. So what kind of rooms do you have in your house? You have bedrooms where you sleep, bathrooms where you freshen up, kitchen where you cook your food or make your food if you're not cooking, dining rooms where you have your food, eat, living rooms where you sit with your family and friends, maybe watch TV, etc., where you relax. You can also have a study, a small room where you keep your computer and do some work. These are the different rooms. Then outside you can also have a garage where you keep your car, where you park your car. Some people pronounce it as garage. I love to call it garage. So when I give these words, stop the video, pronounce the words on your own, then listen again. So garage my favorite way of saying it. You can also say garage. Garage. Difficult, more like a tongue twister. So how do you ask about these things? You say, do you have a garage in your house? Do you have a garage in your house? Yes, I do. Positive answer. Is there a garage in your house? Yes, there is. Short answer, see? Yes, I do. Yes, there is. All short answers. These are the short answer chunks. Does your house have a garage? Yes, it does. So 3 ways of asking the same thing. Practice this. Repeat them till you get the answer and the question right. Now, what else can you have in your house? You have fans and lights and AC, cooler maybe, furniture like tables, chairs, beds, etc. Appliances. Repeat the word. Appliances. That like the refrigerator and water cooler and the oven, etc. The OTG and all that, microwave. Those are the appliances. Washing machine. So when you have all these things in a kitchen, that is called a modern kitchen. So how do you describe your house then? How do I describe my house? I live in the 4th floor of a 5-storied apartment block. It's a 2-bedroom house. It has a kitchen and 2 attached bathrooms. There is a balcony each attached to the bedrooms. Each, word is each, okay? Each means 1 bedroom has 1 balcony. 2nd bedroom has 1 balcony. So 2 bedrooms, 2 balconies. There is a balcony each attached to the bedroom. Bedrooms, bedrooms. There is also a garage and a small study where I sit and work during the weekends. What's your house like? Describe your house. Give it to me in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next video where we'll go one step further. We'll use all these information and I'll give you some more. This language, some more language, and I'll help you describe the place where you live in or the place where you stay in greater detail. That's going to be useful for small talks with your clients or with friends, etc. And also for tests like IELTS and TOEFL, etc., where they ask you this question. What's your house like? Describe the house where you live in, etc. Until then, bye-bye.